Birdwatching is a fascinating hobby that allows you to connect with nature and observe the beauty of various bird species in their natural habitats. If you're interested in starting birdwatching but don't know where to begin, here are some essential tips for beginners. First and foremost, you'll need a good pair of binoculars. Binoculars are essential for birdwatching as they allow you to see birds up close and in detail. When choosing binoculars, opt for a pair that is lightweight, has a wide field of view, and provides clear and sharp images. It's also important to consider the magnification power and lens diameter of the binoculars to ensure that you can see birds from a distance. Next, familiarize yourself with the different types of birds in your area. You can start by researching common bird species in your region and learning about their habitats, behaviors, and calls. Field guides and bird identification apps can also be helpful tools for identifying birds in the field. By understanding the birds in your area, you'll be better equipped to spot and identify them during your birdwatching outings. When it comes to birdwatching, patience is key. Birds can be elusive and may take some time to appear, so it's important to be patient and observant. Find a quiet and secluded spot where you can sit and wait for birds to come to you. Avoid making sudden movements or loud noises that could scare away the birds. Instead, sit quietly and observe the birds from a distance, using your binoculars to get a closer look. Another important tip for beginners is to learn how to identify birds by their calls and songs. Birds use vocalizations to communicate with each other, attract mates, and defend their territories. By learning to recognize different bird calls and songs, you can identify birds even when they are hidden from view. There are many resources available online and in books that can help you learn to identify bird calls and songs. In addition to learning about bird calls and songs, it's also important to pay attention to bird behavior. Birds have unique behaviors that can help you identify them, such as their feeding habits, flight patterns, and social interactions. By observing bird behavior, you can learn more about the birds in your area and gain a deeper appreciation for their natural behaviors. One of the best ways to improve your birdwatching skills is to join a local birdwatching group or club. Birdwatching groups often organize outings, workshops, and events that can help you learn more about birdwatching and connect with other birdwatchers in your area. By joining a birdwatching group, you can learn from experienced birdwatchers, share your sightings, and discover new birdwatching locations. Finally, don't forget to have fun. Birdwatching is a rewarding and enjoyable hobby that allows you to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of birds. Take the time to relax, enjoy the sights and sounds of the natural world, and immerse yourself in the wonder of birdwatching. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced birdwatcher, there's always something new to discover and learn in the world of birdwatching. So grab your binoculars, pack a field guide, and head out into nature to start your birdwatching adventure. With these essential tips for beginners, you'll be well on your way to becoming a skilled and knowledgeable birdwatcher. Happy birdwatching!